picnic table. Today I am going to show you how to prepare the famous Russian salad called vinaigrette. It's very simple and very nutritious. Let's get started. We are going to need 4 medium potatoes, 3 medium beets, 3 carrots, 1/4 of a cup of olive oil, a cup of sweet peas, a half teaspoon of salt, half red onion, and I've got here about 10 small pickles. If you have the large ones, you use 2 large pickles. Put this on medium heat and boil it for 25 minutes. But make sure you check the carrots before the potatoes and the beets because sometimes they get cooked faster. Alright, I am going to start by peeling up the onion and cutting it in small pieces. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video today. If you did, make sure to subscribe, activate the bell for notification on my newest videos. Bye!